The greater self, I would say, it's like the concept of yourself maybe beyond your ego, maybe like your spirit a little bit. That's all I got for now.
So even though I've never heard of this word before, but when I see this word, I think of kind of like an ideal self. It's like probably something that I'm not there yet, but something that I want to achieve for myself.
I feel like for me, it's like a happier self.
Or I can live in my greater self, which I guess is a place, if I could try to put words on it, compassion, love, courage, keeping my mouth shut when I should, being more understanding, not honking when the light turns green in front of me, maybe pausing a beat or two. Like the greater self is my best human being.